Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the powerful health benefits of oranges. Let's get started. Oranges are among the world's most popular fruits. Also called sweet oranges, they grow on orange trees, Citrus X sinensis, and belong to a large group of fruits known as citrus fruits. Their true origin is a mystery, but the cultivation of oranges is thought to have started in Eastern Asia thousands of years ago. Today, they are grown in most warm regions of the world and consumed either fresh or as juice. Oranges are a healthy source of fiber, vitamin C, thiamine, folate, and antioxidants. They have immense health benefits. Some of the health benefits are: Number 1. Decreases blood pressure. According to a French study, orange juice can help lower blood pressure. Researchers believe it is due to the effects of hesperidin, a flavonoid that comprises 90% of total flavonoids in orange juice. Oranges also have good amounts of potassium, which help control blood pressure by lessening the effects of sodium. Number 2. May decrease risk of thyroid cancer. Results of a study in the Republic of Korea suggest that high consumption of raw vegetables, persimmons, and oranges may decrease thyroid cancer risk and help prevent early-stage thyroid cancer. Number 3. Limits growth of tumors. Oranges are powerful cancer fighters. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that protects against cell damage by the free radicals produced when oxygen is used by the human body. Furthermore, nobiletin, a flavonoid found in the flesh of orange, may have anti-inflammatory actions. Number 4. Lower risk of heart disease. Heart disease is currently the world's most common cause of premature death. Flavonoids, especially hesperidin in oranges, may have protective effects against heart disease. Fibers also seem to play a role. Intake of isolated fibers from citrus fruits has been shown to decrease blood cholesterol levels. Taken together, it is likely that regular consumption of oranges may help lower your risk of heart disease. Number 5. Lower cholesterol. Oranges contain a fair amount of pectin in the membranes between the segments of the fresh fruit. Pectin is a soluble dietary fiber that helps control blood cholesterol levels. Number 6. Helps with weight loss. Oranges are low in calories. One orange contains approximately 60. When you eat the whole fruit instead of drinking the juice, you also benefit from the fiber content, which may help you reach satiety faster than other low-fiber foods. Number 7. Relieves digestive distress. The Chinese use oranges to help settle digestive upsets and alleviate nausea, while in France, the fruit is given to children to relieve indigestion and hiccups. Buying tips. All varieties should be firm, heavy for their size, and have bright orange skin. Oranges may be ripe even if they have green spots. Avoid fruit with bruised, wrinkled skin or discoloration. This indicates age or improper storing condition. Avoid can't lose most of their vitamin C and some minerals during processing, and are usually packed in high-sugar syrups. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and more videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.